In today's episode, I'm going to show you 10 ways ChatGPT can boost your productivity. Perspective plans with new videos and podcasts weekly. Join our Patreon at patreon.com/perspective plans for exclusive videos and more. Visit perspectiveplans.com for all of your planner and stationery needs. Only at Perspective Plans, helping you plan for what's to come. Hello everyone, I'm Christina V. Rising and welcome to the Perspective Plan Show, where I help you boost your productivity and stay organized so that you can easily handle whatever life throws at you. I upload new videos and podcasts every single week, so be sure to subscribe so that you won't miss anything. Shop for workbooks, printables, and stickers at perspectiveplans.com. And last but not least, this episode would not be possible without the support of our Perspective Plans patrons and channel members. Thank you. Now let's get into this episode. Tip 1. Build a draft. Make use of it to generate a first draft, assuming you need to write a press release or a blog post, but are on short time. Simply say, write me a press release for a company called such and such that has just raised $100 million. This is an excellent method for completing your first draft. I would not recommend using the draft it generates, but you can use it as a starting point for your final draft. There is no reason and no way that a human mind can keep up with an artificial intelligence machine by 2035. Grace Scott. Tip 2. Research made easy. Ask it to support your research efforts. ChatGPT can be a very helpful resource while conducting research, regardless of whether you want to utilize it as a research or ask it for questions to use in your study. When conducting any kind of research, Google and Wikipedia are both excellent resources. You now have access to a truly incredible tool. What inquiries should I make when researching the history of golf, for instance, is something you might want to ask ChatGPT. Then you can use those inquiries as a solid foundation for your study. Is artificial intelligence less than our intelligence? Spike Jonze. Tip 3. Reduce characters. For systems with character limits, allow text to be condensed. For this, ChatGPT will be used by me personally. When I want to share something on LinkedIn or Instagram, I'll frequently compose a post on Facebook first and then discover it was too long. Put your post text into ChatGPT and tell it to shorten this text to 2,200 characters while retaining the post tone. It's a great starting point for the shortened version of your post. However, again, I wouldn't post the outcome as is. And proofreading is always a good idea. Like the many other AI tools that have been lately launched, ChatGPT represents a significant advancement. For some, it even represents a worrying development. But like any new tool, ChatGPT has the potential to be an invaluable asset for you and your team if utilized appropriately. By far, the greatest danger of artificial intelligence is that people conclude too early that they understand it. Eliza Yudowski. Tip 4. River of ideas. It can be used to generate content ideas. It can occasionally be difficult to come up with new and engaging content when content is a significant part of your marketing strategy. You can easily request that ChatGPT provide some suggestions on a specific topic. So for example, you could ask it, give me 10 ideas of articles about artificial intelligence. It's important to note that you should definitely review its answers and not take them at face value, but it's a great way to get your creative juices flowing. The sad thing about artificial intelligence is that it lacks artifice and therefore intelligence. Tip 5. Title generator. Allow it to come up with a title for your content. This is a significant advantage of tools such as ChatGPT. As we all know, good titles are crucial for your content. You could have the best video ever, but if the title doesn't entice me, I'll never watch it. So ask ChatGPT to generate 5 titles for a video about a specific topic, and then even if you don't use one of the exact titles it generates, you can use them as ideas for your title. Forget artificial intelligence in the brave new world of big data. It's artificial idiocy we should be looking out for. Tom Chatfield. Tip 6. Boost in sales and marketing. ChatGPT is a great tool to help you succeed if you're looking for ways to improve your business. Here are some of the most important ways ChatGPT can assist you. 1. ChatGPT can help you increase sales. By chatting with potential customers, you can quickly build rapport and trust. This will result in more sales and larger orders. 2. ChatGPT can help you save time. By using ChatGPT, you will be able to spend less time on the phone or in person with potential customers. You can quickly respond to their inquiries and move on to the next sale. 3. ChatGPT can help you close more deals. With ChatGPT's automated follow-up features, you can stay in touch with potential customers, even after they leave your website. This will assist you in closing more deals and growing your business. ChatGPT is a great resource if you're looking for ways to improve your business. ChatGPT can assist you in developing and implementing effective marketing strategies. It can help you achieve your goals by identifying your target audience and creating compelling content. Before we work on artificial intelligence, why don't we do something about natural stupidity? Stephen Pollock. Tip 7. Assist human resources. ChatGPT can assist you in finding ways to improve your business. Here are a few examples of how ChatGPT can help you succeed in business. 1. ChatGPT can assist you in locating the best talent for your company. It can help you identify and hire top talent for your company using powerful search engine and database for over 8 million candidates. 2. ChatGPT can assist you in training your employees. The topics covered in these online training courses range from customer service to sales and marketing. You can assign courses to your employees and track their progress using an intuitive interface. 3. ChatGPT can help you stay organized. It allows you to keep track of tasks, deadlines, and team communications. You can easily stay in touch with your team members and clients thanks to chat and email integration. 4. ChatGPT can help you save time and money by automating repetitive tasks such as emailing candidates or sending reminders to interviewees. This frees up your time, allowing you to concentrate on more important tasks. I visualize a time when we will be to robots what dogs are to humans, and I'm rooting for the machines. Claude Shannon. Tip 8. Use to manage your time. ChatGPT can assist you if you want to improve your time management skills. Here are a few examples of how it can do that. 1. Receive notifications of upcoming deadlines and events. 2. Establish timers for tasks and breaks. 3. Monitor your task progress over time. 4. Obtain detailed productivity reports. And 5. Get personalized time management tips and advice. You can gain control of your time and become more productive in both your personal and professional life with the assistance of ChatGPT. Try out this chatbot right now. The real question is, when will we draft an artificial intelligence Bill of Rights? What will that consist of? And who will get to decide that? Grace Scott. Tip 9. Help with project management. Do you want to improve the efficiency of your project management? Do you want to find a tool that will help you communicate more effectively with your team? If so, ChatGPT might be the solution you're looking for. ChatGPT is a chatbot that can assist you with project management tasks, ranging from creating to-do lists to assigning tasks to team members. It can also assist you in keeping track of deadlines and progress, as well as provide insights and suggestions for how to improve your progress. Furthermore, ChatGPT can help you stay organized by centralizing all of your project-related conversations. This way, you can easily refer back to previous discussions or instructions without having to sift through a bunch of documents. The key to artificial intelligence has always been the representation. Jeff Hawkins. Tip 10. Boost customer service assistance. ChatGPT includes a number of features that can assist you with your customer service. Here are some examples of how ChatGPT can assist you. 1. It can assist you in automating customer service tasks. 2. ChatGPT can assist you in maintaining a record of customer service interactions. 3. It can help you resolve customer service issues quickly. And 4. ChatGPT can assist you in improving the quality of your customer service. And 5. ChatGPT can assist you in increasing your customer satisfaction. It's going to be interesting to see how society deals with artificial intelligence, but it will definitely be cool. Colin Angle. If you made it this far into the video, here is a bonus tip on how ChatGPT can help you. It can assist you with your finances. ChatGPT can assist you if you want to improve your financial situation. Here are some examples of how a chatbot can assist you with your finances. 1. Money management. This chatbot can help you keep track of your income and expenses so you can see where your money is going and make necessary adjustments. 2. Making a budget. A budget is an essential tool for anyone attempting to organize their finances. It can assist you in developing and adhering to a budget that works for you. 3. Debt relief. If you're in debt, it can provide advice and resources to help you get back on track. 4. Saving money. This chatbot can provide advice on how to save money on everyday expenses so that you can reach your financial goals sooner. And 5. Investing wisely. If you're ready to get started, this chatbot can advise you on where to put your money and how to maximize your returns. And 5. Investing wisely. If you're ready to get started, this chatbot can advise you on where to put your money and how to maximize your returns. Nobody phrases it this way, but I think that artificial intelligence is almost a humanities discipline. It's really an attempt to understand human intelligence and human cognition. Sebastian Thrun. Share this awesome episode with someone you know who needs it to help them plan for what's to come. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I hate for you to miss the next episode. Now let's get into our recap. So let's do a quick recap just in case you missed a tip. 1. Build a draft. 2. Research made easy. 3. Reduce characters. 4. River Raft ideas. 5. Title generators. 6. Boost in sales and marketing. 7. Assist human resources. And 8. Use it to manage your time. 9. Help with project management. 10. Boost customer service assistance. And our bonus tip, assist with your finances. Artificial intelligence is growing up fast, as are robots whose facial expressions can elicit empathy and make your mirror neurons quiver. Dion Ackerman. I just want to take a moment to thank our patrons and channel members. This episode would not be possible without your support. Thank you. And if you would like to support the show, visit patreon.com/perspective plans today. Thank you so much for stopping by and pressing play. I truly appreciate it. Let me know down below in the comments or your podcast review what tip you'll be using. Keep planning for what's to come, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.